Hello and welcome to my channel Learning is Never Ending. Hi kids, our today's topic is use of a or an. As you all know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. The letters which are written in red are known as vowels. Those are A, E, I, O and U. These are called vowels. A, E, I, O and U. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O and U. These are vowels. And any word that starts with an vowel, we will put an in front of it. We can say A, E, I, O, U are the best friends of an. We will put an when any word starts with an vowel. Rest all alphabets rather than vowels are known as consonants. Consonants. And any word that starts with a consonant, we will put a in front of it. Now let's understand the topic with few examples. Let's see the examples. Apple. An apple. Yes, an apple because A is a vowel. Aeroplane. Aeroplane starts with a A. What will come here? A or an? An aeroplane because A is a vowel. Hut. Hut. H is a consonant and what will come here? A hut. Elephant. Elephant starts with a E. So, an elephant. An elephant. Balloon. Please reply what will come here? A or an? A balloon because B is a consonant. Orange. O. O is a vowel. So what will come here? An orange. Dog. Dog. D. Starts with a D. So a dog. A dog. Tree. T is a vowel or a consonant? Yes, it's a consonant. A tree. A tree. Octopus. Octopus. A octopus or an octopus? An octopus. Because O is a vowel. Girl. Girl. G is a consonant. So tell me. Yes. A girl. A girl. Flower. Flower starts with a consonant. So a flower. A flower. Great job. Now please answer. U is a consonant or a vowel? It's a vowel. What will come here? An umbrella. An umbrella. Great. Egg. Egg starts with an E and E is a vowel. So an egg. An egg. Cup. Cup. C is a consonant. So what we will use? A cup. A cup. Let's see the next word. Ice cream. Ice cream starts with the I and I is a vowel. So what we will put here? An ice cream. An ice cream. Box. Box. B is a consonant. So what we will use here? Yes, a. A box. We will use a. Ink pot. Ink pot starts with an I. What will we will use here? An ink pot. An ink pot. Kite. Kite. K is a vowel or a consonant? Excellent. It's a consonant. We will use a kite. So that is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more kids related videos. Bye bye. Happy learning.